Need more backlinks for your website? If climbing up Google's rankings is the goal, with Rankifier, you've got a shot at it. Rankifier will write articles about your business or product and then publish them on high-traffic news sites. In today's video, we're going to explore SEO and a crucial aspect of it: link building, guest posting, building authority, and how to acquire more backlinks for your website. All these go hand in hand when aiming to rank higher on Google. So watch until the end of this video to get a complete understanding of link building strategies and how to take your website to the next level. Let's kick things off by talking about the foundations of SEO. Search engine optimization is the art of making your website more visible to search engines like Google, and one of the key pillars of SEO is link building. So, what exactly is link building? Well, it's the process of getting other websites to link back to your site. Why is this important? Because search engines see these links as votes of confidence. The more reputable websites that link to yours, the more authority your site gains in the eyes of search engines. This, in turn, can lead to higher rankings in search results. Now, let's talk about guest posting. Guest posting is when you write an article for someone else's website and include a link back to your own site. It's a fantastic way to not only build backlinks, but also to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. When you contribute valuable content to other websites, you're not only getting exposure to their audience, but you're also telling search engines that you're a trusted source of information. This can significantly boost your website's credibility and SEO rankings. Now, here's where things get interesting. You might have heard about buying guest posts and backlinks. While some people frown upon this practice, when done correctly, it can be a game changer for your SEO strategy. Let me be clear, I'm not talking about shady black hat practices. I'm talking about working with professionals who understand the importance of quality and relevance when it comes to backlinks and guest posts. That's where Rankifier comes into play. They've got a marketplace that makes buying backlinks and guest posts easy. Rankifier's platform allows you to select the services you need, add them to your cart, and check out. It's that simple. No forced appointments, no pushy sales tactics, just transparent pricing and a seamless backlink and guest post buying experience. So, what sets Rankifier apart from the rest? Well, for starters, they write and promote articles about your business on top blogs and publications. This means your content gets exposure to a wider audience, increasing your brand's reach. Plus, Rankifier offers backlinks and guest posts from top authority publishers. These are the kinds of links that can make a real difference in your SEO efforts. You can choose links from blog sites in your niche, or even from the biggest and most recognized publications. Now, let's talk about the benefits of buying backlinks and guest posts. When you purchase these services from a reputable provider like Rankifier, you're essentially turbocharging your SEO efforts. You can quickly improve your site's authority, which can lead to higher rankings in search results. This means more organic traffic, more potential customers, and ultimately more revenue for your business. So, to summarize, SEO is a competitive game, and link building and guest posting are powerful strategies to get ahead. When done right, they can significantly boost your website's authority and visibility. And when you're looking for a hassle-free way to buy backlinks and guest posts, Rankifier is there to make the process seamless and efficient. Remember, it's all about quality, relevance, and professionalism when it comes to link building and guest posting. So, take the next step in improving your SEO strategy and consider exploring the services offered by Rankifier. They can help you build reliable links that actually rank. Make sure to subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and I'll see you in the next one.